Hi, if you want to set Photo Shuffle Wallpaper on iPhone 16e, then we can do it either through settings. So you can find this Wallpaper tab in settings, tap to add new one and select Photo Shuffle, or we can lock screen, unlock it to add it, then click this plus on the bottom and on top choose Photo Shuffle by tapping it. After that, you can select an album for your Photo Shuffle, for example cities or people, or you can click on album and set something from your favorites. Or there is an option to select photos manually, so you can just click them like that and then tap this button to add those photos. You can swipe between styles. You can also click on this icon and add more photos. You can click on three dots and choose frequency. So you can select for the wallpaper to change daily, hourly, on lock, so when you will lock your device, or when you'll tap on your screen. Let's set unlock, and here you can also extend your wallpaper. Now we need to just click add. Here we can set as pair, and let's test it. I'm gonna lock my screen, and now we should see new wallpaper. And yes, this is it. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.